Hey everyone, welcome back to your channel name. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of Facebook Messenger chatbots. Whether you are a small business owner or a marketer, this video will cover everything you need to know to set up a successful chatbot campaign. So, let's get started. How to launch a successful Messenger chatbot campaign. First, let's talk about a Messenger chatbot and how it can benefit your business. A Messenger chatbot is an automated messaging system that interacts with users on Facebook Messenger. It can handle customer inquiries, provide support, and even help with lead generation. Here are some key benefits of using a Messenger chatbot: 24/7 availability, personalized interactions, faster response times, and the ability to scale up and handle a large volume of customer inquiries. Next, you'll want to compose a list of common customer inquiries or support queries that your chatbot can address. This includes product information, order status, returns and exchanges, and general inquiries. Your chatbot can also deliver personalized experiences to users. Think of offering customized product recommendations based on user behavior, tailored content like blogs and videos, or personalized offers and promotions. Let's get into the nitty-gritty of setting up your chatbot campaign. Here are the key steps. First, integrate your chatbot platform with your Facebook page. Next, define the chatbot's conversational flow with welcome messages, FAQ responses, and personalized interactions. Finally, map out various user scenarios and responses. Planning a campaign for order tracking and updates? You must integrate your chatbot with your e-commerce system to provide real-time updates. Connect to the order management system and set up automated notifications triggered by order status changes. For lead generation, your chatbot can capture user information during interactions, qualify leads with targeted questions, and initiate follow-up actions such as automated emails or scheduling sales calls. Ensure your chatbot dialogues are engaging and align with your brand voice. Use emojis, GIFs, and interactive elements like buttons to make the conversation dynamic and user-friendly. Testing and refining are crucial. Monitor user interactions, collect feedback, and continuously optimize your chatbot's responses to enhance the user experience. Integration is key for a seamless experience. Connect your chatbot to CRM platforms and help desk software to ensure a holistic view of customer interactions and a smooth data flow. Now, let's talk numbers. Calculate potential cost savings by estimating the reduction in customer support resources and predicting increased response times and efficiency gains. There's much more to cover, including AI and NLP integration, continuous improvement strategies, proactive user engagement, and more. You can find detailed steps and examples in the description below. And that's a wrap on our Messenger chatbot campaign guide. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon for more awesome content. Have any questions or suggestions? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. Check out these other videos to learn more about optimizing your marketing strategy.